Yes, our next video related to exercise 5.2. First question, find the product. Okay, you have to find product of 6.3 with 7. So children, I wrote 6.3 with 7, that multiplication 7 3s are 21. You are left with what? 2. Now 7 6 are 42 plus 2 is 44. Now how to put decimal? See, after the decimal how many digits? Single digit. So leave one digit and put here decimal. Next question, same way I wrote, multiply with 127. In the same way, multiplication all of you know, 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28, 2 left, 7 ones are 7 plus 2 is 9, then 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21, again you are left with 2, then 7 ones are 7 plus 2 is 9. Multiply 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are 8, again 2 ones are 2, then 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6, then 2 ones are 2. In the next step, double cross is there. With 1 you can see that same number you will get. So I arranged it over here. When you will add up all these, children, you will get this answer. Now how to put decimal of this? See, count the number of digits after the decimal. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 digits. So start from this side 1, 2, 3 and put the decimal. Okay children. Now the next question, write it over here. You have to multiply it with 120. So first we'll multiply with 0. So with 0 all the digits will become 0 because 0 multiplied by something is 0. Put a cross here. 5 twos are 10. 1 left. 7 twos are 14 plus 1 15. Again you are left with 1. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then 2 ones are 2. Then 2 fours are 8. In the next step, double cross, then 5 ones are 5, then 7, 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are 1, 1 fours are 4. Let's add them. 0, again 0, 5 5 is 10, 1 carry, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 7 is 13, again 1 carry, 2 2 4 plus 1 is 5, 8 plus 1 is 9. Then comes 4. Now count the number of digits after the decimal 1, 2, 3. So leave 3 digits 1, 2, 3 and put the decimal. This will be your answer. Next word problem beta. Second question, a bag contains 99.5 kg of wheat. So what is the capacity of one bag? 99.5 kg. Question is, find the total quantity of wheat in 16 such bags. You have to find capacity of 16 bags. So children, you are smart enough to find out, and you know that if you know the rate of one thing and you have to find out rate of many things, in that case you will multiply. So 99.5 multiply by 16. You can directly multiply with 16 or digit by digit. 5 6 are 30, 3 left. 9 6 are 54 plus 3 is 57. You are left with what? 5. Again 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 5 is 59. So with 1 you will multiply. It will be same. Clear? Then this will be your answer. Now count the number of digits after the decimal. Only single digit. So leave one digit and don't forget to put kg. Clear? Because 1 mark will be deduct for not writing the unit. So yes students, third question, the cost of 1 meter cloth is this. Cost of 1 meter cloth is given. Find the cost of 18 meters of cloth. So same question, you know the rate of one thing, you have to find out rate of many things. So we will multiply. So when you will multiply, you will get this answer. Count the number of digits after the decimal. There are 2 digits. So leave 2 digits, put here decimal. Your answer will be in rupees. Don't forget to write unit. Fourth question, 1 liter of petrol cost rupees 14.55. Cost of 1 liter petrol is rupees 14.55 and you are asked to find out cost of 185 liters. Clear? So again it is clear. It is a case of multiplication. You will multiply it yourself and write your answer in rupees. Fifth question, a bottle contains 450 milliliters of milk. What is the capacity of one bottle? 450 milliliters. And you are asked to find how much milk will 128 such bottles You have to find capacity of 128 bottles. So again, the case is of multiplication. See children, I did multiplication over here and this is my answer, and that is in milliliter. But you are asked to express your answer in liters. Now the question is how to convert milliliters to liters. So children, all of you know that this formula you must be knowing, that King Henry does not usually drink chocolate milk. Milk stands for milli, and this liter unit comes over here in usual. Clear? So beta, you have to, when we are going from down to up, 10, 10 and 10, meaning 3 times 10,000. When we are going down to upside, we will divide. That means it is clear from here, 1 milliliter is equal to 1 over 1000 liters. This is the unit you have to keep in mind. So I need to convert milliliter to liter, so I will divide it with 1000. 2 zeros will get cancelled. You are left with only 1 zero. So 576, leave 1 digit, put the decimal, your answer is in liter. Next question, 1 kg of mangoes cost this. This is the cost of 1 kg of mango. You have to find cost of 125 kg of mangoes. So the case is of multiplication. Do multiplication yourself and write the unit rupees. 7th, a van covers a distance of 11.5 km with 1 liter of petrol. Distance covered with 1 liter is 11.5. Distance covered with 35 liter. So my children are smart to enough to multiply. You can multiply, but don't forget to write the unit in kilometers. Thank you.